What's going on, everybody? It's Nate Matthews from NeverDenyMe.com, and today we got a quick unboxing to do. Then we'll make another video with what is in this box. Let's check it out. Today's video is being brought to you by NeverDenyMe.com. Make sure you take a look at the website for all your graphic needs, anything from digital to physical. Alright, so this company reached out to me to go ahead and check out some of their products. I responded and told them I would love to, and next thing you know, this showed up as a delivery. So let's see what is in the box. There's a lot of stuff in here, by the way, so let me slide it out of the way and we'll take out a couple things. So we got embroidery thread from Candle Thread. There's the box right there. We'll check out the colors and see what's inside of it in just a minute, but I can kind of get a peek through the window right there. So we got one box, we got two boxes, we got another, same thing. Looks like all the boxes are the same. It says the same thing on all of them, right? Three. You guys can see a couple colors inside. Can you guess what it is already? Should be easy, especially I'm gonna have it in the title, by the way. So here we go. We have 4 boxes of embroidery thread from, again, Candle Thread right there. Let's keep one right there to the side. How about that? All right, now on top of that, we got, whoa, they gave us 2 really big books. Are these, what are these? Okay, they have 2 different types of thread. As you can see right there, this is a thread chart for this kind of thread. And then we also have this one right here. So this is the thread that we mostly use for the embroidery machines that I currently run. Let me slide this out of the way a little bit. And we're gonna take a look at all of their colors, and then we're gonna take a look and see which ones we actually got. So this definitely is a large book here. As I've seen on their page, they have a video of Angela, and she was talking about this book. And yes, this is definitely a really big book, because the one that came with all the Madeira stuff, it's literally just like a color chart. I don't even think there's actual thread in it. So wow, so there's actual real thread in here, and it's enough thread so you can actually see the colors that you're gonna get. So my goodness, you guys are not even gonna be able to tell from all, and it's just, dang, look at all these different shades. I can't even see. I gotta stand up to show y'all. All these different shades. Wow. Wow. So this is going to be very, very, very helpful, because now, instead of, like, I guess the way I was doing it before, where I can't really tell the difference of the colors and I can't really tell the difference of the shading, I can actually take this book directly with me, show it to a customer, and have them pick out their own colors. I can actually show them the actual thread, and I think this is going to be a very big deal here for me, especially with some of the trouble that I've had with current designs, where I'm like, okay, I need an orange, but I don't know if is this orange too light, too dark. And you know, right here on this chart, there's a bunch of different shades of orange as well. Orange and golds and yellows, and wow. So we got this thread chart. Does it say how many colors is on here? I think I've seen it on the website, but does it actually give a number? Don't see a number. Wow. Oh, and all the codes are behind there too. I believe there might be some type of conversion somewhere. I'll have to look for it. And there's instructions. Here you have right there. General instructions for like washing it, rinsing it. Never store folded embroidered article in a damp condition, and different stuff like that. Yeah, so this is gonna come in handy. Let me check out the other one. This one, I don't think is gonna have as many colors as the polyester, but let's check this one out. And this is really cool that this actually came with the order. I believe it should come with anybody's order. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure if this would cost extra or anything, but this is very useful for people that need stuff like this, including me. This one looks like it was a little messed up here, I guess, but it's okay. We'll show you guys the colors from this one. This is their rayon chart. Looks like it's just as many colors. Wow, can't even get it all in frame. Whoa. I'm like, is this less or more than the other one? I do not know. But yeah, some very dope colors in their assortment here. So now let's check out and see which actual colors that we got. Something else I do want to speak on too. This thread is a lot more affordable than the other brands of thread that I've come across. You can either get very good quality thread and they're going to give you a tiny little spool of it, or you can get a really big thing of thread and you're going to be paying like $12 or something like that for the other things of thread. I think it was 5,000 meters of thread. So let's see how much is on this one. I believe, yep, 5,000. If you guys can see that there. Says it right there. 5,000 meters of thread. We have, I'll show you guys I'll read the color codes, or I'll put them on screen. How about that to make it easier? Shade 8247. It's a nice little green color. I'll put it in the corner here. We got the brown 6008. I believe this is a good color that I would need. I think this is like the dark skin brown, what I would use as a dark skin brown for my designs. We have, is this the gold? I believe it might be the gold. Looks very nice. I can't wait to throw it on the machine and run a design. What I also want to do for you guys too, I don't know if I'm going to do it in my next video unless you guys like kind of really want that and like ask for it in the comments, because I would need a certain design in order to do it. But I want to run the same exact design, and I'm going to use well, maybe I can't use the same exact thread and have it in two places at one time, but I want to run the same design on multiple of my machines and see like the quality differences for those who think, you know, I gotta have that machine over this one, or what's the difference? Is this one, you know, is my design gonna come out nice still if I run it on this one? Whereas, you know, y'all know what I'm trying to say. But look at that, very nice blue color. I think this is the alternate color that they sent me, because they had me choose from a bunch of different colors, you know, the ones in the chart there. I chose some and they told me I guess they didn't have two of them available on hand, but they sent me two colors that were very, very similar to what I asked for. So I think this is the other blue. And I mean, it's through the plastic, it looks very nice. We got the purple, and I think this matches the exact purple color that I have already from another brand. This looks very nice. I forgot to show you guys the color codes, but I'll read them off again. This is 8311. Again, they're all 5,000 meters. Looking very nice. We got another one here. Look at that. Wow. Y'all gotta send me some designs that actually have colors like this, because I chose different like bright colors that I don't normally use to try to encourage myself to make more designs like this, or so I wouldn't be out of luck if somebody sends me a design that has a color that I don't currently have. And then I would have to go buy the little tiny cones of it. So getting these in the mail is a lot of help for me. I think this is I don't know if they call it candy red or Christmas red, but anyways, this is the color code 8144. There we go there. We got a couple more to go. We got a bright pink color, hot pink. I don't know if that's the actual name it goes by, but that's what it looks like, you know. 8609. Last one that can fit right there. We have black, which should be 8,000, standard color code for many designs, you know, or many different brands of thread. And we got another box here as well, so let's open this. We have a nice looking orange color, very bright and vibrant. Color code 7946. We have, is this, it looks a little bit like a silver, but I guess this is the white. This definitely will pass for white. It looks right. Maybe my eyes are just tripping, but it's definitely the correct color code for white, which is 8001. So we have the white, And looks like this is the last one. This is the gold one. So I was kind of wondering. I was just like, they look very similar on camera. Are these the same? We have, no, they're different. This is 7971 and this is 6074. So one is a yellow and the other is a gold. At least that's what the label says. These two look very similar, but I guess, do I want shiny gold or a little bit duller gold? But they look exactly the same to me. Let me know if you guys could tell the difference. I can't. But again, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 different colors right here that we received from Candle Thread Embroidery. The link for all these products and stuff like that are going to be in the description. Please check them out, guys, because just imagine getting a comb like this that normally other companies will charge you $12 and probably shipping and tax and all that. It's going to come out to more than $12. This right here is going for $5, I believe, and it's on sale for $4 and some change for 5,000 meters of thread. Now, I really am going to put it to the test, so hopefully you guys subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, which hopefully you should be. I'm going to put this thread to the test because even though the thread looks nice from within the package and everything right now, I'm not going to open it until I actually get to that point where I'm going to use it. But thread can look nice, but if you stitch it at a certain speed, it might, you know, be weak and break and stuff like that. And I do have a machine that's capable of stitching very fast, as some of you guys may have seen. So we're definitely going to be putting this to the test on our home machine and our commercial machine, seeing, you know, just in general, does it look good? Does the threads break? Can I run it at full speed without it snapping? And yeah, let's get some projects going, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And more importantly, thank you to Candle Thread Company for reaching out to me and, you know, watching my videos and stuff like that and choosing me as one of the people that you sent some thread to.